Welcome back to CarScope. Today we're taking a closer look at the exciting new 2026 Ford Capri V8, a modern interpretation of a legendary nameplate that combines classic muscle car heritage with contemporary design, technology, and performance. For car enthusiasts who appreciate power, style, and a thrilling driving experience, the new Capri V8 is generating a lot of attention. The first thing that stands out about the 2026 Ford Capri V8 is its bold and aggressive exterior design. Ford has blended retro-inspired styling cues with modern aerodynamic elements to create a car that looks both nostalgic and futuristic. The front fascia features a wide grille, sharp LED headlights, sculpted hood lines, and a muscular stance that immediately communicates performance. From the side, the Capri showcases sleek proportions, large alloy wheels, and a coupe-like profile that gives it a sporty and dynamic appearance. Under the hood, the biggest highlight is the powerful V8 engine. Ford has engineered this power plant to deliver impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring rapid acceleration and an exhilarating driving experience. Whether cruising on the highway or pushing the car through winding roads, the V8 engine provides the deep exhaust note and strong performance that enthusiasts love. The engine is paired with a refined transmission that offers smooth gear changes and responsive power delivery. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ford Capri V8 offers a premium and driver-focused environment. High-quality materials, comfortable sports seats, and advanced technology create a modern atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment touchscreen. Drivers can easily access navigation, smartphone connectivity, entertainment features, and vehicle settings through the intuitive interface. Ford has also equipped the Capri V8 with the latest connectivity features: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple USB ports, voice controls, and premium audio options help ensure that drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained on every journey. The cabin is designed to provide both comfort and practicality, making the Capri suitable for daily driving as well as weekend adventures. Safety remains a key priority for Ford, and the 2026 Capri V8 includes a wide range of advanced driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert help improve confidence behind the wheel. These systems work together to enhance safety while maintaining the engaging driving experience expected from a performance-focused vehicle. The suspension system has been carefully tuned to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness. Drivers can enjoy stable handling, responsive steering, and excellent road grip. Whether driving through city streets, open highways, or challenging corners, the Capri V8 delivers a composed and enjoyable ride. Another impressive aspect of the 2026 Ford Capri V8 is its attention to detail. From the distinctive lighting elements and performance-inspired bodywork to the carefully crafted interior finishes, every part of the vehicle reflects Ford's commitment to quality and innovation. The Capri name has a rich history, and this modern version aims to honor that legacy while embracing the future. Overall, the 2026 Ford Capri V8 is an exciting blend of classic muscle car character and modern automotive technology. It offers powerful V8 performance, eye-catching design, advanced safety systems, and a comfortable high-tech interior. For drivers seeking a stylish performance car with a strong personality, the new Capri V8 is shaping up to be a very appealing choice. Thanks for watching CarScope. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Ford Capri V8 and whether you would add this modern muscle machine to your dream garage. Until next time, drive safe and keep your passion for cars alive.